Ready to make your home feel extra magical this holiday season? These Amazon Christmas gadgets bring the sparkle, simplify the prep, and add a whole lot of fun to every corner of your space. From decorations to cooking helpers to festive surprises, they make the season easier and way more enjoyable. All product links are in the description. Tackle winter snow like a pro with this cordless electric snowblower. Its high-efficiency brushless motor clears a full 20-inch path and cuts through 10 inches of snow effortlessly. Dual LED lights make early mornings or late-night cleanups safe and easy. With 2 long-lasting batteries and a 180-degree rotating chute that throws snow up to 23 feet, your driveways and walkways get cleared fast without any cords slowing you down. Take your organization to the next level with this Bluetooth thermal label maker. Easily print custom labels for anything: kitchen jars, office supplies, cables, or gifts right from your phone. The free app offers tons of fonts, icons, and borders, so every label looks perfect. Compact, portable, and quick, it works with iOS and Android, and even comes with 230 labels to get you started. Give your cat a cozy holiday hideaway with this Christmas tree-shaped cat house. Made from plush fabric, soft sponge, and PP cotton, it keeps your feline warm and snug all winter. The festive green design with a cheerful star blends perfectly with your holiday decor, while the spacious interior fits most cats and small dogs comfortably. Removable cushions make cleaning easy, and the tent design gives your pet a safe, secure space to relax. Make roasting stress-free with this silicone turkey lifter. Just slide it under your turkey or roast and lift it out of the oven without sticking or breaking apart. Heat-resistant and reusable, it handles high temperatures safely while keeping your hands protected. Dishwasher safe and easy to clean, it folds flat for simple storage. Perfect for turkeys, chickens, or any roast, it makes every holiday meal effortless and mess-free. Stay steady on ice and snow this winter. These traction cleats slip over any shoes or boots, with 10 steel studs giving you excellent grip. Stretch them over the front and heel for an easy, secure fit. Durable, wear-resistant material keeps them safe in snowstorms, while the universal size works for adults and kids alike. Perfect for walking, shoveling, or winter adventures, they turn slippery paths into worry-free steps. Say goodbye to messy craft corners. This TreeKeeper Organizer holds up to 14 large rolls of wrapping paper and 6 extra large ribbon rolls. 5 zippered pockets keep bows, tissue paper, tags, and small tools neatly in place. Scissors, markers, and pens have a home too, making every wrapping session smooth and stress-free. Self-standing kickstand legs keep it upright while you work. Perfect for holiday prep or any gift-giving season. It turns clutter into organized bliss. Tackle snow without the worry of scratches. The Snowbuster roof rake combines a soft foam head with a lightweight aluminum pole to safely clear snow from roofs, solar panels, and vehicles. Pre-assembled and extendable up to 12 feet, 18 feet standing reach, you can reach high areas without a ladder. Its S-shaped design makes pushing or pulling snow effortless. Non-slip grips and easy storage make it a winter essential for homes, RVs, and more. Blast dust and dirt away in seconds. This electric air duster spins up to 350,000 RPM, sending a turbo jet of air that cleans keyboards, PCs, cars, and more. 4 adjustable speeds let you tackle delicate or heavy-duty cleaning with ease. The built-in LED display shows power and gear levels, and the light helps you reach tight, dark spots. Rechargeable and portable, it's a safe, eco-friendly alternative to messy compressed air cans. Bring Santa to life right on your tree. This animated climbing Santa ascends a gold bead chain with a green gift bag, playing cheerful holiday tunes, or goes silent for a peaceful moment. 3 modes let you enjoy music, motion, or a pause anytime. The reinforced PVC case keeps him safe and durable, while the secure tree hook prevents tangles. Perfect for stairs, fireplaces, or trees, this charming ornament turns every Christmas into a fun family tradition. Turn breakfast into a holiday celebration. This mini waffle maker creates perfectly shaped gingerbread man waffles in just minutes. The non-stick plates make flipping and cleanup a breeze, so you can focus on decorating or enjoying them with the family. Its compact design fits easily on any countertop or in small kitchens. Fun for kids and adults alike, it's perfect for festive mornings or as a playful holiday gift. Skip the hassle of decorating this year. This 6-foot pop-up Christmas tree comes fully adorned with 64 ornaments and 200 warm white LED lights ready to shine. 8 lighting modes and a built-in timer let you set the perfect holiday mood effortlessly. Setup takes just a minute. Secure the base, expand the tree, and plug in. Made from durable, flame-resistant materials, it collapses easily for storage. Perfect for living rooms, offices, or any corner that needs instant festive magic. Make your garden sparkle without ever touching a plug. This solar-powered Santa watering can lights up automatically after the sun sets, twinkling for hours on end. Just stake it in your lawn, flower bed, or patio, and watch the cheerful colors glow, rain or shine. It's waterproof, durable, and eco-friendly, spreading festive joy while using clean solar energy. By day, it's a playful garden ornament. By night, a dazzling holiday display. Perfect for Christmas parties, evening strolls, or cozy nights outdoors. Bring your holiday decorations into the future. This 3D hologram fan creates a lifelike Christmas tree, or any scene you choose, floating in mid-air with vivid LED visuals. With 700 built-in videos and easy content swapping, you can switch from Christmas to Halloween in seconds. The fan is portable and easy to set up, thanks to its detachable blade and included splicing bracket. High brightness LEDs make every hologram pop with color and clarity. Winter fun just got upgraded. This Snowball Maker kit turns any snowy day into an epic battle. You get a snowball blaster gun, duck-shaped clips, and 3 other shapes to make perfect snowballs in seconds. The durable handles keep your hands warm and clean while you scoop, shape, and launch. Made from safe, sturdy plastic with smooth edges, it's fun for kids and adults alike. Everything fits neatly in the included carry bag, ready for action anytime. Turn your home into a light show that wows all year round. These smart LED string lights give you over 16 million colors and multiple modes, from classic reds and greens to vibrant bi- and tricolor combos. You can control them with your voice through Alexa or Google Assistant, or adjust everything from your phone, even when you're away. Set schedules, create scenes, or sync the lights to music for instant party vibes. Weatherproof and perfect indoors or outdoors, they make decorating effortless and fun. Wrapping presents just got a whole lot easier. These tabletop clamps hold your wrapping paper steady, while the built-in tape dispensers let you cut and stick with one hand. You can adjust them to fit any roll, and the non-slip base keeps everything in place. Perfect for creating your own mini gift wrapping station at home. They handle paper, foil, vinyl, and more. Say goodbye to frustration and hello to stress-free, fun gift-giving all year long. Take control of your appliances without leaving your seat. This mini remote outlet lets you switch lights, fans, or other devices on and off from across the room, or even outside your house. The compact adapter plugs in easily, while the portable remote can stick to a fridge, wall, or sit in your hand. It remembers your last setting, so devices stay off after power outages. Simple, wireless, and hassle-free. It makes everyday control effortless for everyone. Here's a Christmas decoration that actually comes to life. This festive train set circles your tree with glowing lights, cheerful music, and a puff of pretend smoke that instantly sets the holiday mood. You can hang the track right in the middle of the tree, or place it underneath for a classic look. Kids get to snap the track pieces together and create their own railway path. Safe materials, smooth edges, and sturdy parts make it perfect for little hands and big Christmas imaginations. Ready to upgrade your holiday decor? This smart cone tree brings a modern twist with vibrant LEDs that shift colors, dance to music, and glow however you want them to. You can control everything from an app or remote, making it easy to change the mood in seconds. With tons of color options and animated scenes, it becomes the centerpiece of any celebration. It sets up quickly, folds down small, and handles weather like a champ, perfect for indoor or outdoor magic. Get ready to level up your baking game. This cookie press lets you crank out perfectly shaped cookies with just a simple squeeze, so every batch looks bakery ready. The clear chamber shows exactly how much dough is left, and the non-slip base keeps everything steady while you press. With a dozen stainless steel patterns, you can switch shapes in seconds for endless variety. It breaks down easily for fast cleaning, and the storage case keeps all the discs organized between bakes. Here's a cozy hideaway kids can't resist. This hanging pod swing wraps them in soft cotton fabric and gives them a snug little space to read, nap, or just chill out. The built-in LED lights shift through colorful modes, turning the pod into a glowing sensory zone that feels magical after dark. It comes with an inflatable cushion and all the hardware you need for quick setup. Use it indoors or outdoors to create a fun, relaxing spot that feels like their own private nook. Here's the kitchen helper that makes mixing feel effortless. This stand mixer brings serious power in a compact tilt-head design that's easy to use and easy to love. The large stainless steel bowl lets you whip up big batches of dough, batter, or frosting without stopping. Its mixing action sweeps every inch of the bowl, so ingredients blend smoothly and evenly. And when you're ready to get creative, the attachment hub turns it into an all-in-one culinary workstation. Ready to turn any moment into a winter wonderland? This high-power snow machine blasts out a flurry of soft, fluffy snow that drifts through the air and instantly transforms the mood. Just add snow fluid, flip it on, and use the remote to control the stream. It's that simple. You can even adjust the airflow to choose between a gentle sprinkle or a full snowstorm. Lightweight, durable, and built for both indoor and outdoor fun, it brings the magic of snowfall anytime you want. Here's a fun little upgrade for snowy days. These shape makers let you press, scoop, and pop out perfect snow figures in seconds. Ducks, hearts, dinosaurs, and even tiny snowmen. Kids love how easy they are to use, and you'll love that their hands stay warm because there's no packing snow by hand. The sturdy plastic holds up to plenty of winter adventures. And when the snow melts, they double as beach toys for sand play all summer long. Winter mornings don't stand a chance against this clever 2-in-1 tool. You get a snow brush that pivots in every direction, so you can sweep snow off your car without twisting yourself into a pretzel. The bristles are firm enough to push heavy snow, but still gentle on your paint. And when you hit stubborn ice, the built-in scraper with sharp edges breaks it up fast. It even comes apart into compact pieces, so you can tuck it away in your door pocket or trunk. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.